To cleanse our aura is to make sure that our aura is clear of stagnant or negative energy left over from other people or ourselves. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about cleansing our aura and why it's so important. So last week we spoke about the basics of auras, but in that video we spoke about aura interaction. This is actually really super relevant to today's video. So if you haven't watched the 101 on auras, please make sure you do so. To cleanse our aura is to make sure that our aura is clear of stagnant or negative energy left over from other people or ourselves. It's really important to do this to keep our energy levels up and our vibrations high. We will talk about keeping up our vibration or raising our vibration later on in further videos. So if you're interested in that and want to know what that's about, please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. When we move about the world, whether it's going to a shopping centre, a supermarket, or walking the dog, we are interacting with other beings. Keep in mind that we don't actually need to be talking to them for our auras to be interacting with their aura. As mentioned in the video last week, our aura sends and receives information from their aura to ours. Once someone has left our auric field, some of that information gets stuck in our own aura. This is usually referred to as leftover energy. This isn't so bad if someone has a high, happy vibration about them, but if someone is low and negative, that energy getting stuck in ours can be the equivalent of not getting adequate sleep or not eating healthy. If that person is feeling stressed, that information gets stuck in our aura. If that person's feeling sad, that information gets stuck in our aura. If they're feeling angry, that information gets stuck in our aura. Yeah, I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this. Before we move into how to clear our aura, I want to express that our own negativity and our own low emotions can also get stuck in our aura even after we've moved through them. So we need to keep in mind that it's not just other people's energy that we need to clear out, it's actually also our own. So here are my 4 favorite tips and tricks on how to clear your aura. Number 1 is a smudging stick. We have all heard of sage smudging sticks, but here I'm using rosemary, lavender, bay leaf and rose. This works wonderful. There are heaps of other herbs out there that can, and we need a heat proof bowl, don't forget that. There are heaps of other herbs out there that can and will cleanse the aura just as well. So all we're doing is rolling it around our body to let the smoke cleanse our aura. Aura cleansing number 2, submerging yourself in water. For this exercise, you're going to hold your breath and submerge yourself underwater for 2 to 3 seconds. Doing this for longer won't get you better results, but doing it more often will. For best results, a natural body of water works best, such as an ocean, a lake, or a river. You can also do this in the bath if you don't have access to a natural body of water. Failing that, standing or dancing in the rain, or even letting the water from a shower wash over you with the intention to cleanse your aura is actually a really effective method too. Option number 3 is a visualization of white light. It's a super simple one to do. There are heaps of options on YouTube for this, but I will also share with you my 20-second white light meditation to cleanse the aura. If you don't want to listen to my white light meditation, no problem. Just skip forward to 4 minutes and 52 seconds. I'd like you to close your eyes. Make sure you're sitting in a nice, quiet space. I want you to breathe in and breathe out slowly 3 times, bringing your awareness to yourself. Anything going on the outside doesn't matter. We're going to bring your awareness to self. I want you to visualize a beam coming from the universe way above, further than you can see, coming down. Once it hits the top of your aura, I want you to see that beam of white light just falling around you like a waterfall. I want you to also see that white light then coming through your aura and surrounding you. On its way down, visualize that the white light is hitting black spots in your aura and it's pushing those spots out. Those black spots don't mean anything bad. All it is a representation to us of the negative energy in your aura. That white light is pushing the negativity from your aura down, down, down. What it's doing is once it's pushing it down, that white light then absorbs the negativity in your aura and sends it back up to your spirit guides for cleansing and changing into. Number 4, grounding yourself to Mother Earth. Sit sit somewhere outside, like on the grass or a log or a flower bed if you want to, somewhere in the garden, but somewhere that's connected to the earth. Visualize energy from the earth surrounding you and cleansing the negativity away from your aura. Once the earth has done this, you want to send it up to your spirit guides. A lot of people, when they ground to cleanse their aura like this, used to send it back into Mother Earth to transform it into positive energy. This is a very old teaching and there's nothing wrong with it back then. The problem now is that Mother Earth is so polluted that she then doesn't need our negative energetic rubbish on top of all of that. So please make sure that if you're grounding yourself to clear your aura, make sure that you send the negative stuff up to your spirit guides for them to get rid of it in a positive way. The most important thing about cleansing your aura in any of the 4 exercises that we've just done is to set your intention. Setting your intention when you're cleansing your aura is the most important part about this. It lets the universe know exactly what your intention is, what you want to achieve. They can then step in and help you do this too. Next week, I will be posting another video, episode 3, on protecting your aura, protecting it for everyday use as well as spiritual work. So please make sure you keep an eye out for that one. I would love to hear your thoughts on aura cleansing. What one of these worked best for you? What one you prefer? Or if you've got a favorite one that I haven't actually covered today that works really well for you, I would love to know. So please post these in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Mwah.